I wish I knew about honey years ago. It's more than just a natural sweetener. Honey is packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. It's like a mini shield for your body. Got a sore throat or inflammation? Honey's got natural anti-inflammatory powers to soothe it. And guess what? Honey's antibacterial and antifungal properties help fight off infections. It's a natural healer. For your gut, honey's a hero too. It aids digestion and nourishes good bacteria. Need an energy boost? A spoonful of honey gives you a quick, sustained lift. Heart health? Honey's antioxidants help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. And if you're battling a cough or sore throat, honey's your go-to remedy. Skin feeling dry? Honey hydrates and reduces acne, giving you a healthy glow. Boost your immune system and even sleep better with honey's natural goodness. Incorporating honey into your diet can offer a wide range of health benefits. Enjoy it in teas, on toast, in smoothies, or as a natural sweetener in your favorite recipes. So how about adding a spoonful of honey to your daily routine? It's nature's sweetest health secret.